Unpack the machine and place it at the specified location in the laboratory. Then unwrap the power cable, which is labeled with R, S, T for the three-phase supply, as well as N neutral and P protective earth. Connect the cable terminals R, S, T, N, P to the corresponding main power terminals. Step 2. To add water to the machine, first pull out the drawer. Lift the top cover and pour water through the filling port. Fill to approximately 2/3 of the tank capacity. Do not overfill. Once the water is added, go around to the back of the machine and release any trapped air from the lines. There is a water valve on the back of the unit. Open it. Wait until the water runs out in a continuous stream, and then turn it off again. Step 3. Check the main power switch. Verify that it is turned on. The unit is currently powered on. After powering on, we open the chamber door and attach the wet bulb gauze to its designated holder. The wet bulb wick must be placed on the second sensor. Make sure the entire sensor is fully covered and tuck the excess wicked material into the water trough underneath. Turn on the machine power. This is the switch for the chamber observation light. This is the main screen after startup. The first icon on the screen is for viewing the curve chart. This screen shows our test curve. Here's the historical curve. You can zoom in and out to view it. To export data, first plug in the USB drive. Then tap Backup on the screen. Select the start and end times. And finally, tap Backup. This is the monitoring main view screen. The current mode is the fixed mode. The system provides two modes in total, and the current mode is this fixed mode. In fixed mode, you can directly set the desired temperature and humidity here, e.g. 60°C and 60% RH. Then click the Run button to start. In fixed mode, you can also set a timer function. In fixed mode, you can turn on the timer and set the desired duration. If it is not needed, you may turn it off. This machine currently does not support a linear adjustment function. Therefore, only two modes are available on the operation interface: fixed mode and program mode. The current interface is set to fixed mode. To switch to program mode, please change the mode selection here and set it to program mode. When you return to this interface, it will display the program mode. This spot shows the program number, and you can change it. Just set it to whichever program number you want to run. Right now, we have it set to program No. 1. Please note that before running program No.1, you must ensure that the program has been fully edited. The editing function can be accessed via the entry at this location. Click Pattern Edit here to enter. This field displays the program number. For example, if we want to run a test at 60°C and 60% humidity, we just enter those values in the corresponding fields. This set point must be programmed into segments. Set the first segment to 1 minute for the temperature and humidity ramp-up process. The second segment is the test soaking time. For example, currently set to 30 minutes or can be changed to 1 hour and 30 minutes. For example, when performing low-temperature tests, whether at -20°C or -40°C. Set the ramp-up at downtime to 1 minute for the first segment, and the second segment as the soaking time. The editing method is the same, and all subsequent programs follow this approach. After editing the program, return to this interface. Click Repeat Set. The total cycle count for program group 1 can be set. This parameter represents the total cycle count that the entire group 1 will execute. For example, when set to 2, The group will run 2 cycles and then stop. Under this program Group 1, you can also set a partial cycle. For example, we pick out segments 1 to 4 and set them to cycle twice individually, while the total group cycle is also set to twice. In that case, segments 1 to 4 will actually run 2 times too, which equals 4 times, because the total cycle and the segment cycle are multiplied together. If we don't need the partial segment cycle, just set this to 0. Then it will only run according to the total cycle count. If we set it to 2, it runs twice and then stops. This interface supports program linking. For example, if the current program is no.1, you can link it to the next program, so that after completing no.1, the system will automatically run no.2. This interface is for time signal settings, but our machine doesn't have it. It's not included by default. This wait settings interface is already configured from the factory, so you don't need to change it during use. This field is named for the test. For instance, the program group I just edited is no.1. With the test name test1, you can change it to 123. After the modification, return to the main interface and you will see the updated name. Once the program group is fully edited, simply click Run to start. This interface provides a scheduling function, including the current time and the reserve time. For example, you can set the reserve time to October 1st and then enable the scheduling function. After enabling it, return to the main interface. If you have scheduled program Group 1, you need to preset the program for Group 1 on the current interface and keep the machine powered on. It will then run automatically at the reserved time. If you have scheduled a fixed value mode, you must switch the mode to fixed mode. And at the reserved time, the machine will run in that fixed mode. This is the Advanced Settings interface, which includes a fault viewing function. When a fault occurs, you can check the detailed fault information through this interface, mainly to see what the fault is. You can also take screenshots here. Just click the little camera icon. After that, a 1 will show up. You can then view the captured images right here. The last one is the manufacturer's information.